Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I wanted to go ahead and film a makeup tutorial using this Laura Geller Sunday Funday Face, Cheek, and Eyes palette. So this is what it looks like. Now these are the colors that everybody loves. The neutrals are always fun and good for every single skin tone. So this is the look that I created. So if you are interested in this look, then let's get started, honey. You're about to see me zoomed in and with no makeup, so beware. So first I'm going to apply my base. This is the P. Louise Rumor number 2. I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. You guys, it never fails. I don't know if you guys can hear in the background, but the freaking ice cream truck is passing right now. I swear, if it's not an ice cream truck, it's an airplane. If it's not an airplane, it's my dad cutting the grass. Like, there's always something happening. With the Sigma E45 brush, I'm going to grab this color right here called Cedar Wood. And I'm going to be applying this on the crease as well as in the outer part of the eye. I might switch brushes. I'm just so used to using like my same brushes all the time, but at the same time I want to switch it up and try, you know, different brushes. You guys, this is how bored my family is. The other night, we were in the kitchen, and my mom was talking about New York, how, like, she never wants to go there because there's just too many, like, people there, and she just can't stand being around, like, that much people, right? So then she's like, but I do want to visit the Home Alone home. And she's like, and it's in New York. And then I just kind of stayed quiet. My dad's like, no, it's not. And she's like, yes, it is. And then they were like, okay, let's bet. My dad said, if I lose, you have to make chile rellenos. And then he said, wait, what did he say? Yeah, if he loses, he has to make ceviche. And my mom loses, she has to make chile rellenos, basically, right? So then I was like, all right, let me Google it real quick. So I Googled, and the home is in Illinois. But, you know, there was parts of the movie that were filmed in New York. Right? So I think that's where my mom thought that the Home Alone house was in New York, but in reality, it's not. So then I was like, Mom, I'm sorry, but you lost. And she's like, she was so mad. Just so freaking mad that she was wrong and my dad beat her. But I just thought it was so funny that they decided to bet on it because, you know, they thought they were so right. I want to make sure that I really intensify this, like, V, you can say. And I'm also going to put some of this going down here because I did apply some of that base. That way you can start getting some color. With this Morphe E27 brush, I didn't grab any color. I'm just going to use this to blend the edges, making sure it's nice and smooth because I don't want to see any harsh lines. So what have you guys been up to? Are y'all like having fun at home? What are you guys doing? I know it's a very hard time right now, trust me, but we're going to get through this. With this JH31 brush, I'm going to grab this color right here called Rich Umber. And I'm very lightly going to go over and I'm going to create a transition. So I'm going to marry these two colors going outward very lightly. Honestly, I don't know why this freaking ice cream truck is taking 3 years to pass by. Like, hello, I need you to go, sir. Sir, I need you to go. Oh my god, I am like obsessed with browns. Like, just look at how pretty that looks already. Yes, who loves browns, man? I love me my neutral colors. Now back with the E27 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I blend and soften everything up. Oh my god, my eyebrows hairs are looking crazy. Since I'm playing with a lot of browns, I'm not going to go in and like clean up my eyelid and make this look dramatic. I'm just going to go straight in. So I'm going to be using this flat eyeshadow brush and my camera just doesn't want to focus. And I'm going to be grabbing this color called Tantalizing Taupe. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on the lid. Wow, this color is pretty. You're so pretty. Oh my god. Rosa is popping. She's so funny. I just can't. Dude, come here. I love her. Ah, this is giving me like prom vibes. It's giving me graduation vibes. It's giving me date vibes. Damn. This is a beautiful eye look. My camera is straight up tripping, not trying to focus. That's how good this look is. It can't even focus. With this Morphe M411 brush, it has some of that cedar wood color. And I'm just going to use that to focus it on the outer part of the eye because I want to darken up the edges a little bit more. Well, I mean the outer part of the eye. I want to darken it up a little bit more. Make it a little bit more smoky. And I'm just going to tap it in as well as do circular motions. I'm going in again with the tantalizing taupe. And just making sure I blend it out a little bit more. There, that looks good. Now with this JH40 brush, it has a little bit of that cedar wood color. I'm just going to focus this on the lower lashes, making sure I smoke it out. Dude, my mom and her friend are chismeando. Like, coronavirus is not going to stop them from their tea, girl. Nope. Now with this flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to go ahead and grab this color here called Golden Girl. I'm going to apply this on the inner corner, and that's going to work as my highlight. Just going to use this so that I can blend right here. Can marry them a little bit better. I am digging this look so freaking much. I feel like everybody loves neutrals. You can't go wrong with this kind of eye look. But I'm going to, spice it up a little bit more. So I'm going to be using this MAC Liquid Lash Liner. So it's a beautiful goldy bronzy eyeliner. So when you open it up, it's a little sticky. It kind of looks like, and it feels like lip gloss kind of. But this is what it looks like with the applicator. So I'm just going to go in and create a eyeliner. I don't know if you guys just heard that, but my dad came in singing. Saying, vamos a la playa. Girl, I wish. I wish we can go to the beach right now. For the longest, I just didn't like really the beach. Like, I like seeing it, but I didn't like going in. But lately, I just feel like I've been in the mood to just do everything. Because now it's like, you know, you can't take life for granted anymore. For sure. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let this dry a little bit because it's really wet. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, put some face makeup on, and then we'll come back. So with this JH04 brush, I'm going to grab Apricot Delight. I believe that's what it's called, and that is the blush. So I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks. So I'm just going to dab this on. With this Anastasia A23 brush, I'm going to apply the highlighter, which is Copper Pearl. So I'm going to apply that on top of my cheekbones to give me a glow. Right now, I really like the way everything is coming out, but I do have texture on my skin. So most of the time, I try not to apply highlighter because it's just going to really, you know, show that texture and make me look all greasy and crazy. So we'll see about that. We're almost done. All we're needing right now is to put some eyeliner on the waterline and apply some lashes. So for lashes, I'm going to go back and use the Celeste eyelash book. So when you open it up, in case you guys haven't seen it in my other tutorials, this is what it looks like. There's so many different styles, and what I like about this book is the fact that some of these I would have never really thought of using, but obviously I have to put them, you know, to use. So for this eye look, I'm not sure what I'm wanting to use. I think I want to go ahead and try out, let's try out Jewels. They're a little bit more wispy looking, but I like the fact that they're wispy looking. That way you can kind of you can kind of still see the look, because sometimes when you use eyelashes like these are a little bit more full, sometimes it takes away from the look. So I'm going to go ahead and try these out right here. I already went ahead and applied mascara, and now I'm going to pop up these lashes, and I'm scared. I always get so like, when not to put on my lashes, so let's see. So with this MAC black eyeliner, I'm just going to put this on my waterline. And only on the top waterline. Now with this MAC nude eyeliner, I'm going to put this on the waterline. But I'm just going to put this on the bottom waterline. Now with this Lorac Pro mascara, I'm just going to apply this on my lower lashes. And then that will complete the look. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know down below. And if you guys are wondering what kind of lip I'm wearing for today, I use the MAC lip liner in Oak, and then the lipstick, which is the Patrick Star MAC collection. This is in Sweet Mama Star, which I love because it's like a perfect like peachy kind of nude. So I love that. But yeah, let me know down below. Comment. Do you guys like it? You guys gonna recreate it? This kind of palette, I don't know if you guys might have it at home or not, but if you don't, since it is neutrals, I'm pretty sure you can find very similar colors in a different palette that you may have. So comment down below. Let me know what kind of other eye looks you guys want me to create, what other palette you guys want me to use, or any other videos that you guys might want to see from me. Comment down below. You guys know that I love to interact with you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos. I don't want you guys to miss out, so please go ahead and do so. And if you aren't already, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. I post previews of what I'm filming and when my videos will be uploaded and all the goody good stuff. So make sure to follow me on there. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe, and I hope you guys are all healthy during this time. So if you guys need someone to talk to, just hit me up on Instagram. Let's chit chat. I love to talk to you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.